the other guest esteemed dignitaries who are come even from abroad to join us. I stand before you here with two roles. One, being an educator myself, being an educationalist, I'm the trustee and the principal of a school situated in the Vasai Virar region. And second, as an associate and representative of United Gate 1, under whose banner we are doing this program. Being an educator and an educationist, I have seen the reforms and all the changes which this education industry has gone through over the past few years. Gone are the days when we needed a book or a classroom to study and learn. Most of the things today are online. And we are going to do a robust program under this banner of United Gate 1 of an online education platform. The online education was already existing. It took us basically an era of a pandemic to know that even virtual classroom is a reality. हमको पहले नहीं पता था, but after post-pandemic we came to know that yes, even virtual classroom is a reality. And my dear people, it is here to stay now. The digital world, the digital classroom, and all the technologies today are leaving the traditional barriers behind, and we are fastly going into the AI world. एक छोटे बच्चे से गैजेट दूर रखना आज मुश्किल हो गया है. Being an educationist, we know what we are dealing with. It's very difficult right now to keep the gadget away from, a small child or a student. Forget about a child. It's also difficult with us. It's not possible for us to be away from this kind of a gadget. So what we have basically decided is to introduce and integrate all the systems with United Gate 1 and enter the gadget itself. The answer is inside the gadget. हम उसको मोबाइल से अब दूर नहीं रख पाएंगे, तो बट ऑब्वियस है हमको मोबाइल में जगह ढूंढना पड़ेगा. सो वी आर बेसिकली एंटरिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी अंडर यूनाइटेड गेट 1 and entering the gadget with the possible solutions. The solution is all about United Gate 1. And United Gate 1 will offer all the pedagogical needs of the student, right from a small child to the one who's doing a professional course as well. And United Gate 1 is a big umbrella. Chhata, chhatri dekha hoga sab logon ne. So it's like an umbrella. The umbrella has one handle and several strings. OLV online education is one of the strings of United Gate 1. And OLV online education will be led by me and a couple of members, a big team, under the leadership of Shri Sachin Katharnavre. So we are very, very closely and robustly working to integrate a lot of systems so that we reach the online platform successfully with each and every child, whoever is there, whether it is in this city or all over India. And that will help the mission of being self-reliant. So we all have come over here today for one mission, The United Gate 1 will offer opportunities to everybody who is over here. And together we will be able to help the Honorable Prime Minister. Alone he will not be able to do it. अकेले वो कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. He will need several strings like an umbrella. And we are the verticals which will take all these solutions from United Gate 1, integrate it very closely with self-reliant India, which is also called Atmanirbhar Bharat. तो एक बार जोर से बोलते हैं, भारत माता की. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Melvin. Wow, what a feeling. A feeling of expression. How we can all fulfill the